Good morning guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope you guys are all well. This is a very brief Saturday morning Bitcoin and Ethereum update for the indicators. So you can see the DMT line on the 15-minute Bitcoin indicator is just under 9,000, so that will be at our potential sell level. The 25-minute Dominator, it did actually enter us into a short trade, which didn't really go anywhere, and it's now entered us into a long trade. So I can show you that's the current long trade that we've got open here, and if we go to my deal history, this was the short trade that closed for like a 0.7% loss. But yeah, that's kind of how Dominator will work. There will flip-flop around, and then we'll get a big move, and we'll hopefully be on the right side of it. So I do expect there to be more losing trades with the Dominator, but I am sort of hoping we get more of like obviously the big moves, like for example this one here, or I mean if we go further back, this whole big move here, we got pretty much right before the dump, and this one again here, literally right before the dump. But yeah, so that's what we're going for in this. But obviously we'll have flip-flopping markets like this where we might make some little losses, but that is one of the main trading aspects one of the main aspects of trading is that you want to make small losses and big wins, and obviously you're going to probably make more small losses than you are the big wins, but the big wins are going to cover those losses. So the Dominator is a bit different to DMT. I'd hope DMT, when it takes trades, we are in a breakout and it is correct and the market is making a bigger move. So that's why I like these two indicators together to trade. Because they are slightly different with how they are set up and the sort of trades they look to take. So I think they complement each other well, and also they pretty much won't often be trading in opposite positions against each other. So, well, just because of how the market is, if we're breaking out or trending in a way, one way, we're not necessarily going to turn the other way. But yeah, so over to Ethereum on the 15-minute. Ethereum is looking good as well. Again, I mean, I spoke about this yesterday. Ethereum was looking strong. Ethereum making a bigger move up percentage-wise than Bitcoin, which is great to see. I mean, if we look at Bitcoin, if we look at first we'll just look at the Dominator and Ethereum. So the Dominator and Ethereum got us in at a good buy level. We did pretty much test back down to the buy level, but then broke up. DMT buy in Bitcoin again. This is the reason why I've currently not got these indicators trading Ethereum, just because it is more volatile. So I'm just going to decide how I'm going to deal with that. One of the potential strategies was to use a Dominator rather than DMT, and then just have the layered orders. That was what I was looking at. So I may or may not set that up next week, so decide. Yeah, back over to Bitcoin. I mean, this is how you see the difference. This is Ethereum 15-minute, and we go over to the Bitcoin 15-minute. You see the Bitcoin 15-minute, we've got this, all the highs are here. The Ethereum, obviously, it's just getting higher and higher. I mean, you can often see altcoins leading the market. A very obvious pattern that I'm sure that everybody is talking about on crypto Twitter and stuff is this quite clear ascending triangle. We have ascending triangle at resistance after an upward move, after like a larger upward move. So this does spell potential upside. Yeah, so I mean a targeted move of what is that, roughly 9,200, 8,000, so about $300 higher. So from the breakout point of about 9,000, we're looking at about 9,500 here. So we could see that over the weekend. Remember, weekend price action can often be reset when we open back on Monday, but we'll see what happens. We may not even get this. May just be the charts been painted to sucker more millennials on Robinhood into the GBTC and then dump them out of the market. But yeah, my only concern is obviously weaker markets in general. But if there's ever a time we're going to get a fake upwards, fake out move upwards, or a move upwards, maybe it's over the weekend when we don't have like actual stock markets open, so they're not basically bleeding off. And just basically stressing everybody out, making everyone just think, right, I need to take all risk off the table and take whatever gains I can and whatever money I can. So that obviously can't happen at the weekend because these markets are open. So yeah, so that is what I've got to say about that. So the weekend is the best time, I think, for us to potentially make this move up. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, so really quick update there, guys. Hope you guys are all having a great weekend. I will have a video again for you guys tomorrow. So yeah, so remember, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm glad to see the likes are ticking up. The subscribers are ticking up, which is good. I mean, I hope to get to 100 soon. I'm on 77 I think now, so that is great. Oh yeah, one other thing, when Dominator went over bullish and I saw that we were struggling to get lows, I took off my two well, I have two other accounts that I trade with that had short trades on, that weren't bot trades, and I took those off. Basically, those short trades off, so I'm currently flat on those. So the only position I have is this 25-minute account Dominator trade, but I will maybe be looking to put in some limit orders. I think around 9,200, maybe even 9,230, like a full do you know what I mean, a clear move, and then see if I can scalp some gains there and I move up to around 9,500. But yes, so thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow.